Hello everyone, this is your boy Apostle for Viral Loops, and I'm here to show you how you can boost your campaign using our booster emails. Small note here, the booster emails functionality is only available in 3 of our templates, which are the leaderboard giveaway, the tempting giveaway, and the startup pre-launch template. So let's get straight into it. In this dashboard, after you finish the first 5 steps, this is a leaderboard campaign we use for this example. So after you complete the first 5 steps, you will be directed to this dashboard right here, and as you can see, there are 3 options for you. The first one is to edit the booster email, the second is the number of days to wait before emailing a participant again, and the third is the trigger option, which is set by default to manual, but you can set to auto in a bit after you edit your booster email. Now let's go straight to edit the booster email. Good. So the first picture you get here is this bubble right here, which is divided into 2 segments, the top of the leaderboard and the rest of the participants. So you have to edit 2 different emails for 2 different segments of users. The first segment is the top of the leaderboard, so it depends really on how many people you have set to win. In this example, we have 10 people, and you can see right here that you have a red exclamation mark in both of these segments. That means that you cannot really save them. Don't use the default emails. We did it for your best interest, so let's go and see which elements you can edit. So for the first segment, which is the top of the leaderboard, you can change the from name, the from email address if you configure your outbound addresses. You can change the subject, you can change the address that people can reply to. So let's change this to awesome team, and since we made even one minor change, you can see that now instead of the red exclamation mark, we have this green check. Perfect. We also offer some merge tags to make your email a bit more personalized. Then you can add some graphics such as a header image or a logo. You can customize your call to action by changing the text and changing the background color of the button. Let's go with black. Also, you can change the text color, and you can preview the changes right here. Of course, you can fully customize the content of the main body of the email. We also provide some extra merge tags right here, and you also have the ability to send a test email to yourself just to make sure that people will receive an email that looks the way that you build it to. So that's it for the top of the leaderboard, and now let's go to the rest of the participants. The fields you can change here are exactly the same. So you have the from name, you can change the email address again if you configure the outbound addresses. You can change the subject, and you can change the address that people may be able to reply to. So again, I'm going, for the sake of consistency, I'm going to make the same changes here. I'm going to put an exclamation mark here. Also a few extra merge tags so you can make your email even better. You can add graphics, header images and logos. You may customize your call to action. As you can see, the changes will be previewed here. Of course, once again, you can change the main body of the email using the merge tags we provide also down here, and you can send a test email to yourself to make sure that the email looks exactly the way it's supposed to. Okay, also now we have a green check here, so we are able to save it. After we edit the booster email, we can enable the auto triggering. So Viral Loops will send booster emails to your participants automatically. In the occasion that you choose to go manual, you have to go to your campaigns dashboard and send the emails manually. And now let's go to see this right here. So the number of days to wait before emailing a participant again. By default, this is set to 5, and you can go upwards, but you cannot go below 5. The reason is that we don't want to spam your users. But that doesn't mean that after 5 days, every one of your participants will receive an email from you. What this function does is that exactly 5 days after a participant signed up, will then get your email. So this means that if I sign up for your campaign on Monday morning, I will receive my booster email on Saturday morning. If my best friend signs up for your campaign on Monday evening, then he will receive his booster email after 5 days exactly, which means that he will receive his booster email on Saturday evening. And from that, we are good to go. The only thing that you have to do after this is to press next and finish the installation of your campaign, and you are set to achieve greatness. Thank you very much for being with me. I hope to see you soon. Keep being awesome. Peace.